There are plenty of insurance plans available in the market that offer you both wealth building and financial protection to your family. In this video, let's see, does investing in Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage plan offer dual benefit to its investors? Let's have a detailed analysis on this plan and also see how beneficial will it be for investors who invest in this plan, and also what role will it play in our investment portfolio. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take the right financial and investment decision. This Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan is non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance saving plan. Now let's take a look into its features, benefits and also its IRR analysis, by which we would come to know whether is it worth investing in this plan as investors, and also will this plan help us achieve wealth accumulation and also give our family the required financial protection. Now let's see the features of this Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan. You can choose your premium payment term, income period and policy term at your convenience. In early wealth variant, you have an option to get income as early as first year. Save the date option can be used to receive income or any of your special occasions. There is an option to accrue your income and withdraw it anytime during your policy term after your premium payment term is over. The inbuilt accidental death benefit of 50% of the sum assured is provided to the policy holder. Policy continuance benefit (PCB) on the occurrence of specified event, your survival and maturity benefit are payable as and when due without any need for premium payment to the policy holder. It allows the policy holder to break the maturity and death benefit and receive them in installments. There are three types of benefits available in this Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan. The first one is survival benefit, the second one is maturity benefit, and the third one is death benefit. Survival benefit, it is payable if the life insured is alive on the due date of the benefit, provided the policy is in force. The below table illustrates how survival benefit is given to the policy holder. The second one is maturity benefit. It is payable on survival of the life insured on the maturity date, provided the policy is in force. The below table illustrates how maturity benefit is given to the policy holder. The third one is death benefit. Death benefit under single pay shall be higher of sum assured on death or 125% of the surrender value applicable as of the date of death. Other than the single pay, death benefit shall be higher of sum assured on death or 105% of the total premium as of the date of death of the life insured, or 125% of the surrender value applicable as of the date of death. Any incurred income benefit and loyalty benefit will be given if it has not already been paid. Death benefit considering PCB ops, death benefit is equal to higher of sum assured on death or 105% of the total premium as on the date of death of the life insured. Policy continuance benefit. All survival and maturity benefits shall be paid without any premium payment required. Accrued income benefit and loyalty income boosters will also be paid. Under inbuilt accidental death benefit, 50% of the sum assured will be given if the policy is still in force. Now let's see the advantages of this Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan. You have the flexibility to choose the mode of payout to receive your income benefit. Either you can accrue it or get it on every policy anniversary. Income payout frequency can be done annually, semi-annually, quarterly and monthly according to your convenience. Loan option is available to meet your urgent financial requirements. There are special rates for women and discounts for transgenders in this policy. Riders will allow you to extend your range of benefits by paying a small premium. A settlement option is available for both death and maturity benefit. Now let's see the potential disadvantages of Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan. The insurance plan mainly focuses on the income benefit rather than building wealth. Though the returns are guaranteed, these returns will not be sufficient enough for you to achieve your financial goals. Here the sum assured is also too low, so it fails to give the financial protection to your loved ones. Now, as an investor, before choosing any plan, it has always been important for us to see its IRR analysis. Now, let's see Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan IRR analysis. For that, let us make certain assumptions. There is a male whose age is 35 years, his policy term is 15 years, premium paying term is 15 years, annual premium is 1 lakh, sum assured is 11 lakhs, variant early wealth, annual income benefit is 1,35,000. If you see, the income benefit starts at the end of 10th year onwards. If you see, this benefit illustration is taken from Max Life website. Its IRR seems to be 4.57%, which is much lesser than even bank FD rate. So as an investor, it is always better to see for alternatives. Now let's see what are the alternative investments for Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan, and will it help achieve your financial goals on the long run. Let's compare this Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Plan with pure term insurance along with its PPF or ELSS, which could give better returns for investors and which could be beneficial for investors on the long run. If you see, the pure term insurance with PPF, its IRR works to be 6.35%, and a pure term insurance with ELSS, its IRR seems to be 10.06%, which is inflation beating return, and it will be very much helpful for you to achieve your financial goals and give your family the financial protection they require. So as an investor, it has always been important for us to look at all the investment options and choose the right investment vehicle catering to our risk appetite and our financial goals. Now let's see the final verdict on Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan. It is a traditional life insurance policy and all the maturity and survival benefit is guaranteed. It may not be beneficial in your wealth accumulation process, nor it gives you adequate life cover. Pure term insurance with PPF or ELSS. Pure term insurance with PPF can help you generate IRR of 6.35%, which can be helpful, but a pure term insurance with ELSS can potentially give you an IRR of 10.06%, which is inflation beating return, and it will be very much helpful for you to achieve your financial goals. So as an investor, you should be careful in choosing the right investment vehicle catering to your financial requirements. A detailed analysis on Max Life Smart Wealth Advantage Guarantee Plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.